Alright, so I'm right now hooking up my oscilloscope because the thing is this no crank or a crank no start. So I hook up my oscilloscope just to see what my signal looks like going to the ignition coil, because yesterday I pulled the spark wire and I was getting no spark. So with the oscilloscope plugged in, I'll go to start it up. And it starts up with the oscilloscope plugged in. And it runs perfectly fine, no issues whatsoever. Then I come over here. I'm like, you know what? I'll check my other wires while I'm at it, right? Hey, look at that. Perfectly fine. So I pull it out, and then it shuts down. The car stalls out. So what do you think the problem is now? Do I have to install a scope to fix the car or what?